Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index slipped on Thursday, falling back toward the 96 level and giving up part of the previous session's gains. The move came after Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent reiterated the strong dollar policy, a message the market viewed as having only a short-lived impact. Bessent also dismissed speculation that the US was intervening to sell dollars in support of the yen, contrasting with President Trump's comments that a weaker dollar is acceptable. WTI crude futures jumped more than 3.5%, trading around $65, marking the highest intraday level since September and nearing the strongest close since August. The rally was driven by rising geopolitical risk premiums after the US issued fresh warnings toward Iran. President Trump warned Tehran to accept a nuclear deal or face potential military action, adding that US naval forces in the region are ready to respond if necessary. Spot gold continued to push to fresh record highs in early Thursday trading, now testing the $5,598 per ounce level. The rally is being driven by persistent economic and geopolitical uncertainty, with investors crowding into safe haven assets. Market reaction to the Fed's rate decision was muted, and analysts note that strong demand for precious metals appears to have entered a self-reinforcing phase. Historically, the end of major gold bull markets has been closely tied to a sustained rise in real interest rates. The Japanese yen held near 153.1 on Thursday after falling nearly 1% in the previous session as the dollar rebounded. The move followed comments from US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, who dismissed speculation that the US had intervened in currency markets to sell dollars in support of the yen. Bessent reaffirmed America's strong dollar policy, arguing that solid fundamentals should continue to attract capital inflows, a view that contrasts with President Trump's earlier acceptance of a weaker dollar. The euro slipped back below the 1.2 level, retreating toward lows last seen in June 2021 as renewed dollar strength weighed on the pair. Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged, with Chair Powell signaling that rates may remain on hold for some time. In Europe, ECB policymaker Martin Koch warned that further euro strength could prompt the central bank to resume rate cuts.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.